Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you another version of the Galaxy nail. This is more of an advanced Galaxy nail, just because there's a bit more to it. Obviously it's a bit more in depth. We've got some hand painting, there's no sort of stamping going on, and there's only a little bit of glitter application for this one. So if you want to find out how I created this Galaxy nail, then just stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get Magpie Gel Colour in Poison Ivy, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this, curing in between each layer for 60 seconds. So then once they've both been cured, I'm going to get Magpie Gel Colour in Plain Jane, which is a white, and a makeup sponge. And I'm just going to apply a small amount of the white onto the sponge. And I'm literally just going to sponge on this white. You can see that it's really nice and pigmented, so you don't really need to do more layers with this. And then I'm going to use the cleaner side of the sponge on the other corner just to kind of smoke the edges out. And then obviously you can add a tad bit more. And I'm going to cure this in my lamp. Then I'm going to get Magpie Dust Iris. I use this for my other Galaxy tutorial as well. It's brilliant for this type of stuff. And I'm going to get the Magpie Detailer brush. So and all I'm going to do is just pick up a little bit of the dust and just pat it into essentially sort of the outer edges of where we put the white. And just pat it. So then with Plain Jane again, I'm just going to pop some of this onto my palette. And the first thing I'm going to do is get the Magpie dotting tool. I always use the smaller end for sort of this type of stuff, just to add some really nice small dots. And then I'm going to get the Magpie Detailer brush. And I just want to add some small crosses or stars. Then I'm going to get Magpie Gel Colour in Let It Shine, and this is just their top coat. And I'm just actually going to top coat this nail twice because we've done the dust. Otherwise I would have just top coated it once. So I'm going to cure this now in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then once those have been fully cured, I'm just going to get a lint-free wipe with the Magpie cleanser. Just wipe off that tacky layer. And then there you have it. So this one's got quite a bit more dimension to it, I would say, than the sort of easier style one. You know, because you've got sort of different in-depth bits, but obviously you've got that bit of sparkle. And by using Poison Ivy underneath, although it looks quite black on camera, it is a really dark purple with a bit of shimmer to it. So you will get a little bit of sparkle, but obviously by adding Iris, it gives it more depth. So I hope that you liked this Galaxy nail tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.